Hi, it's your boy Ghost from Off Track TV, and I'm back. I got my license back finally after like 8 months, but I'm back. And let me show you my baby. Look, this is my beautiful. Hey, I crashed, didn't it? Sorry.
What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost, Off Track TV. Don't worry, it's me. It's the real me this time. I ain't on no ped. I'm back with my baby, man. What a journey it's been. It must have been like 8 months. I know it's been close to a year, but honestly, it's been a wild ride. So as you've seen in the title of the video, my license got revoked. If you remember the ride that we did with JJ when Blaze came back, me, Blaze and JJ went up to Greenwich, and basically on that ride back it was just long. It was long. It's like as soon as JJ departed to go his own way, the police literally pulled us over like 2 seconds later, and from there it was just a mess. Let's get into the nitty gritty of it, right? Okay, so we got pulled over that day, as Blaze told you already. I was riding the ZX10R, Blaze was riding my LXR, which isn't here right now because he crashed it, you little prick. So that bike is gone, the LXR, RIP, the bike is no longer with us. Because Blaze didn't have insurance on my LXR, he got 6 points. Because I let him ride it, it's something to do with, I don't know, man, basically I got in trouble for it. I got 6 points on my license because I have an actual license. Blaze had a CBT at the time. Because my license is an actual license, the way it works down here is, if you accrue 6 points in your license within the first 2 years, like a probationary period, your license gets taken away straight away. And that's what happened to me. My license got taken, done, gone. So it didn't, and nothing happened until about July when I had my court date. I had to go to court. I had to plead guilty because there was nothing. There's no way I could save that. I had to plead guilty in court, and I wrote a little thing hoping they'd allow me somehow. They didn't. It was game over. And what really pissed me off about that is that about 5 days beforehand, I had plans to make like 5 videos in those 5 days, right? And I got sick on those 5 days, and it was just game over, bro. Like I don't know if it was COVID or what, but I got sick and I was finished. So unfortunately no videos came out. The only videos that you've seen so far in between then and now are ones that I've already had, like things that were recorded but never intended to put out. That's why some of them are just like bad footage, or the last one where the camera's looking down like that at my fucking dash. I hate that. I might just delete it, I'll be honest with you. But look at this clown. But anyway, so after that it was just a whole process, man, honestly. So once you get your license revoked, that meant I had to do everything all over again. And let me tell you, I thought it was going to be quick. Most of the time I spent was waiting for things to happen, waiting for dates. Now, to kick it off, I had to apply for my provisional license again, and that took years, bro. That took about 2 months, not 2 months, I lie. It took about 4 weeks for that to happen. And then after that, I finally did my CBT. My CBT date took about a month to happen. Then I did my theory. That was like 2 weeks after the CBT. That wasn't too bad. Then it came to the Mod 1. The Mod 1, which if you don't know, is basically like a slow maneuvers course. So you practice slow maneuvers, U-turns, swerving, them kind of things, you know, do the slalom, figure of 8, that kind of thing. That's the Mod 1 here in the UK. And I think that was waiting for that for like maybe 3 months. 3 whole months it took to do the slalom figure, to do the Mod 1. And from there I just kind of knew that this was going to be a long wait. After the Mod 1 I did my Mod 2, and that took another, I think, 2 months. That took 2 months, and I won't lie to you guys, I actually failed my Mod 2 about 3 times. Yep, yeah. I failed a Mod 2 3 times. I didn't do, now for context, I didn't actually do any training for any of these things, right? And after I failed it the third time I said fuck this, yeah, and then literally I just decided to take a training course, just do a training course, and magically after that I passed. And that was in about, well, we're at the end of April. That was near the end of March when I passed. So yeah, those 3 times failing really messed me up, man. But I'm here now, I'm back, and I want to share some things with you about this bike. Now if you can tell, I don't know, but I've done a couple of mods to this bike, some that you can see and some that you can't see, and I'm really excited to show you what mods I've done, but that's going to be for a different video. But right now, as you can see, the weather is not that great. Literally this morning when I woke up, it was nice and the sun was shining, you know, the birds were singing, but now I don't know what happened, bro. As soon as I left my house, it just turned grey. So that's my luck for you. So anyway, it's good to be back, man. It's so good to be back, honestly, on my baby. She feels like a different bike. I've done one specific thing to her that I won't talk too much about, but she feels like a whole new girl, and I can't wait to share all of that with you, because there's a reason why this bike is the bike of my dreams, man. I'm telling you, she's just so good. She's just so good. Anyway, I've been your boy Ghost. It's been a Decat Felipe. And I'm back, baby. Let's go.
But he's back, yeah? He's back, and he's gonna terrorize these streets, yeah? The streets of London and the whole wide world. You know what I'm saying? Wow!
This guy, fam. Fuck you, fam.
Oh!
Yeah, you can't. What? There's nothing there, big man. You're gonna break it. You're gonna break it.
You're welcome.
Carbon fibers. Carbon fiber. Look at the carbon fiber. I can't see this one properly. Carbon fiber. I think that's the only carbon fiber I have in this one. Is that it? Yeah, that is it. Oh, that's poor. I need to get some more carbon fiber bits, man. I don't like full carbon fiber, but I like when there's little bits of carbon fiber here and there. I want to get these carbon fiber as well. Hopefully the quality ain't shit. I tried so hard to change the settings and put this lens back on. Normally I've been taking it off and it ain't been so bad. Oh! Up in there, fam. I fell down. I fell down, fam. Oh, they got hit. Man hit him, fam. Oh shit, man got hit. He just got back up and started pedaling again, fam, like it was cool. God damn. Fucking hell, fam, it's a brutal world, fam. Don't hit me.
Where you going?
Because can only turn left, bro. You can't turn right.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Look at signs. Yeah, look at signs. Look at signs.
By sheer coincidence.
I missed that sign right there. I don't know how I missed it, but I missed that sign. It's a fucking roundabout, bro. Almost emmed myself. I almost emmed myself. You saying, fam? You saying, fam? Fuck you, fam. Oh shit. Huh? Oh yeah, I forgot about that, you know. Might as well.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm